So a lot of what I've learned here is going to go straight into the heat action plan, straight into the planning for our heat response, because it just covered every aspect of the things we thought we knew and the things we did not even know to think about.
There's a lot of knowledge that exists around this space, maybe as opposed to about 5 years ago or earlier. So I think what is coming out is that there's a lot of science already. And I think maybe what is also encouraging is the fact that you don't need to perfect, what is already there. You just need to get going. And the cities have already started, a lot of work on climate action implementation. So it's just to piggyback on that work and get cracking.
I still maintain to say climate change is for all of us. We should not be leaving anyone behind, and we are actually the solutions into the problems that we are currently seeing.
This agenda cannot only be a metro agenda, it is a national agenda. Heat is a reality and it costs lives. There's high record of mortality in relation to heat, and thus we need the champions in each and every of your departments to take this message home.